All right, guys, so we pretty much got everybody on this end that we're gonna have.
Because it's concave, it fits. If it wasn't concave, it would.
Jason, right there. We got Logan in the house. We got James over there. Blaze, there he is. And Blaze's girlfriend, I assume. There she is. And Juan went to the gas station. We're gonna pick him up on the way out. Then we're gonna cruise to Will's. We'll see y'all at Will's house. Alright guys, so I didn't pause and film when we got to Will's. We only picked up Will. Gabe and Christina actually rode with Will because Gabe's having a little bit of engine issues, so he left his car at Will's. But we're here at Nooksack Falls, right? Nooksack Falls? We're at Nooksack Falls, our first photo shoot stop location. There's plenty of space here for everybody to get out, stretch their legs a little bit, and then look at this spot. So beautiful, beautiful. So stay tuned, we're gonna shoot some shots, then I'll check in with you guys in a few. All right guys, so we just finished up with shooting at our location number 1. As you guys can see, it's beautiful here. Waterfall over on that side. TK and Steph. James and Blaze, Jason and Gabe. There's Juan. His hat is just amazing, and it matches his Celica, which is super cool. And we got Logan and Will over there. Will appears to be cold. But yeah, so far so good. We're having a great time. We'll see you guys at the next spot. Totally. Oh yeah, I saw it, yeah. Hey guys, so we made it to as far up on the Mt.Baker as we can. As you guys can see, it is beautiful. What did you think of the drive up, Jay?
Perfect.
So good?
Perfect. Beautiful drive.
Juan? Yeah, dude. So fire. Logan?
Excellent.
So good?
Excellent.
So, as you guys can see, there's a lot of people up here. But really, like, there's no mystery why everybody's coming up here. Get a little time out of the house, get some fresh air on these mountains. It's beautiful. But it does bring us some kind of issues shooting. So where Will's car is right here, if you can see, I'm basically gonna shoot in the road back against the mountain and then hope we don't get any cars or other people in the shots. But I'm gonna go ahead, flip the camera over. We're gonna shoot up here for a little bit and then we're gonna work our way back down and find some different spots. Dude, that was a good shot, Juan. All right, guys, we'll check in with you in a few. well, we just finished up shooting up at the top of as high up as we can get to Mt.Baker. It's actually really close to the top. But yeah, I mean, look at the view. Like, unbelievable.
A view.
And then Logan.
Just a view.
And then Juan. And we got Jason back here. Just chilling. Just chilling.
Rabbit?
Bye, Jason. Bye, Jason. See you never. But anyway, guys, you have it here first. We had a great time today. I hope you guys are doing good through all this coronavirus craziness. So remember to stay home, keep supporting your family, stay healthy. We'll see y'all on the next one. Factory Fiction, we out. Peace.